Now, a new day arrives, and so does another development from OpenAI. Another wonderful development which will cheer us all up at front page is, well, you liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you so much for all of your kind support. Now, OpenAI has unveiled the Codex Micro, a physical AI controller that developers can pre-order today. Sold through OpenAI's new supply company store. The $230 is built with work louder and transforms mechanical keys into a control deck for managing AI coding agents. Designed to reduce screen clutter and constant tab switching. The compact device packs 13 mechanical keys, a rotary dial, touch sensor, joystick, and RGB lighting. It supports Bluetooth and USB-C, ships with a premium cable and customizable keycaps. There is, of course, a stronger demand for its silent switches than the traditional clicky version, according to Sam Altman. Now, there is another, of course, standout feature, the programmable agent keys. Each of it linked to a live Codex session and using dynamic lighting to show an AI agent status in real time. Blue stands for the agent is actively thinking or crunching complex calculations. Then green indicates an unread message or a successfully completed workflow task. Orange highlights the agent is paused, requesting manual human intervention or, for that matter, critical system permissions. Red, well, the agent has hit a roadblock and encountered a direct execution error. So at the heart of the device is a reasoning dial, letting developers instantly adjust an AI agent's reasoning level. Their workflow joystick can trigger actions like reviewing GitHub pull requests, debugging code, or refactoring projects. Now, with work louder input software operating directly alongside OpenAI's coding suites, programmable keys supports up to 6 custom layers. The launch coincides with OpenAI unifying ChatGPT, Codex, and ChatGPT work into a single developer ecosystem. Now, the Codex Micro, positioned as a niche tool for power users, is reportedly developing a screenless AI companion expected to debut later this year. But what is going to debut right now is the front page take. Now, OpenAI is providing that the future of software interaction requires dedicated physical control interfaces. They are turning autonomous code generation into a high-velocity workflow, right as they fight off Apple's lawyers in federal court. They are simultaneously training developers to manage AI agents, well, like an orchestra. But the question I have for all of you is this: will developers genuinely embrace physical macro pads like the Codex Micro to manage their autonomous agents? Or is a $230 keypad just a very clever limited edition marketing stunt to distract from Apple's massive espionage lawsuit? The plot thickens. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.